Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut integrations. A comprehensive overview of how to integrate Revolut with various services to streamline your financial management. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut is a digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and currency exchange. Integrating Revolut with other services can help you automate tasks, track expenses, and make the most of your financial data. To get started with Revolut integrations, you need to have a Revolut account and access to the Revolut API or a third-party integration platform. The Revolut API allows developers to build custom integrations, while third-party platforms offer pre-built integrations with popular services. The first step is to choose the service you want to integrate with Revolut, such as accounting software, expense tracking apps, or e-commerce platforms. Some popular integrations include QuickBooks, Xero, and Shopify. Once you have chosen the service, you need to connect your Revolut account to the integration platform or API. The next step is to configure the integration settings, which typically involve specifying the type of data to be shared, such as transaction history or account balances. You may also need to set up webhooks to receive real-time notifications of transactions or other events. One of the key benefits of Revolut integrations is the ability to automate tasks, such as reconciling transactions or generating invoices. For example, you can integrate Revolut with accounting software to automatically import transactions and reconcile your accounts. Another important aspect of Revolut integrations is security. Make sure to follow best practices for securing your API keys and access tokens. This includes storing them securely, using secure protocols for data transmission, and monitoring your account activity for any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, integrating Revolut with other services can help you streamline your financial management, automate tasks, and make the most of your financial data. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Revolut integrations and take your financial management to the next level.